Let's open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Harshvardhan Tripathi ji. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress Party. Nikhil Jain. Ravi Srivastav ji. Tala Rashadi, spokesperson of the Rashtriya Ulama Council. Nikhil, when will the Congress Party apologize for embracing terrorists?
When will the BJP apologize for embracing people who called the Prime Minister a terrorist? I'm talking about a gentleman called Mr. Naidu, Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP, who is in the NDA right now, and he called Narendra Modi a terrorist in 2019 while Narendra Modi was still the Prime Minister of India, and yet the BJP finds itself in alliance with this very same gentleman and his party.
That's the magnanimity of the party you're talking about. You answer for the Congress Party, Nikhil. When will Congress, and it's on tape, the Congress has embraced terrorists. The proof is on tape. When will you apologize for that?
First of all, Pranesh, that is something as a friend of yours, I would advise for you to not say, because what you're saying is extremely defamatory. The Congress Party can take you to court for it and have you pay a hefty sum for it. The Congress Party has never embraced terrorists. Calling another politician terrorizing.
I'm being rather charitable. Take me to court. 1 minute. No. Take me to court. 1 minute, Nikhil. But embrace is not quite the word. Congress Party has hugged terrorists. When will you apologize?
What is the proof? What is the proof?
Okay.
What is the proof?
I'll show you the proof. Can we have the proof for Nikhil Jain? Here's the proof, viewers, of Congress Party embracing and hugging a terrorist in full public view. The pictures will come up on your screen, and then I want to know what Nikhil Jain thinks of it. Ranga sir, our director, he will put those pictures right now on the screen if you can hear me. Rahul Gandhi, it was in full public view, hugged the Prime Minister of India, who Mr. Kharge calls a terrorist. That is the proof. Pictures on your screen, Nikhil Jain. Apologize.
Are you saying that Oh my God. Are you saying that the Prime Minister of India is a terrorist? Are you agreeing with that? Are you agreeing with what
I will tell you who said that. Let's play out what Mr. Kharge has said. Listen to Mr. Kharge. Now you decide between Rahul Gandhi and Kharge who is right. You will have to pick one today.
How can they join with Modi, who is a terrorist, and he won't believe in equality. His party won't believe in equality and justice. And these people are joining with them. It means that they are weakening democracy.
Mr. Kharge says Rahul Gandhi, does not follow. What is going on?
Pranesh, the same Prime Minister is also seen in the very same clip smiling at Rahul Gandhi, and the same Prime Minister goes in rallies and says that Rahul Gandhi is anti-national, he works with Pakistan, he works with China, he works with George Soros. By the way, George Soros is the same person whose $200 million
I don't want to be harsh with you, but I've given you 3 opportunities, you have no response. Don't do this to your leader, please. Ashwini ji, Kharge ji कह रहे हैं मोदी टेररिस्ट है, राहुल गांधी उनको गले लगाते हैं, कांग्रेस माफी मांगेगी?
Pranesh, I want to ask you first, आप कब से मोरल सर्टिफिकेशन अथॉरिटी बन गए जो मोरालिटी पे लोगों को सर्टिफिकेट दे रहे हो? You are trying to whitewash all the sins of BJP or RSS before independence, and by creating just mountain out of a mole, which he clarified. He said that Modi ji does the politics of fear mongering. Modi ji terrorize people. यार बताइए ना, आपका मंगलसूत्र छीन लेंगे, ये किसने बोला था? मंगलसूत्र छीनने की फियर मॉन्गरिंग की पॉलिटिक्स कौन करता है? Who divide this nation on the religious lines?
नहीं तो does that make him a terrorist? ओसामा जी कैसे बोल दिया था? ओसामा साहब, हाफिज सईद, ये बताइए. And let me tell you how Rahul Gandhi branded Sadhvi Pragya a terrorist. What was the metaphor in that? We will pull up that tweet. It's still there. It hasn't even been retracted. Forget an apology. Ashwini Mishra.
She was alleged to a crime which is for terrorism.
So if someone is alleged to be, no, 1 minute. So, no, 1 minute. What do you think Umar Khalid is? Is Umar Khalid a terrorist?
Do you not call him terrorist?
आप बोलिए, मैंने कभी बोला है तो मुझे बता दीजिए. You can pull out the clip. That is Rahul Gandhi. Certificate, sir. आप कह रहे थे ना certificate. Rahul Gandhi in his court of justice calling Sadhvi Pragya a terrorist. Harshvardhan ji.